is a handle that is tight. This one's just tight, it doesn't move at the base yet. I'm gonna fix that. Alright, these are our connections here for the water. Just took that one off. I'm gonna take this one off. Alright, you can see this thing is just gunked up. So I'm gonna take it out, clean it off, bring it back in here, clean out the inside of this as well. It's a real mess in there. Now I'll come back and assemble it. Alright, got that about as clean as I'm going to get it. Now these didn't have to come out to do this, but I don't like spraying cleaner and grease all over counters. So, there's cleaner. I am going to put some plumber silicone in there. These really should be replaced, but there's a little gasket that's inside there that gets worn, but to buy some time. Okay. Finished. So I decided to go ahead and snake this drain while I'm here, just because I was having problems with clogging. And anyway, here we go. Looks like a dead rat, but it's not. It's just disgusting. Alright, so I'm gonna just grab that with a glove, because I'm not into touching that nasty stuff. Well, I had to bring in the big snake just to get that freed up in there. I don't know if you can see it, but at least now you can see through it. Man, that was nasty. Anyway, put this back together and this job's done.